Hi everyone, it's finally spring now and today we're going to be making a very nature-inspired wreath with a lot of moss and other little decorations that will be fun to make. Before we start, I did want to mention that if you want to support me and my channel, I do have a Patreon page that I'll link below where you can find extra recipes and DIY projects as well as everyday life posts. So make sure to check that out and thank you so much in advance for supporting my channel. For this wreath, you will need a 12-inch grapevine wreath, some sheet moss and forest moss, decorative succulents, little toadstool mushrooms, and a small birdhouse. You're also going to need hot glue. First, we're going to start by using the hot glue to attach some sheet moss around the wreath. When I did this, I left some edges bare just so we could see the wreath underneath. For this project, I did want to mention that you can add any small decorations you prefer, depending on your theme, like fairies or butterflies, or maybe small flowers. It's really up to you how you want to decorate it. I was just going for a very green, whimsical forest scene. Next, we're going to add the forest moss on top in another layer and in small bunches. Maybe you can't tell here, but the forest moss is a bit darker in color than the sheet moss is, so I wanted to show that extra shade of green around the center of the wreath. Then I planned out where I wanted to place the succulents and the mushrooms around the wreath, before attaching them with glue or by simply weaving them into the wreath frame. For the birdhouse, I didn't show this on camera, but I bought a little wooden birdhouse that wasn't painted or decorated, and I just painted it a dark shade of brown and glued some moss on its roof. Then I finished by attaching a little red bird at its entrance. It was very simple, but it went with the theme I wanted, and I think it looks pretty good on the wreath. I then finished by framing the birdhouse with some more succulents that I glued to the back of the wreath. And there you have it, a very fun yet simple spring wreath. I hope you have fun making one of your own and make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon.